how to use the small function in Excel. So what the small function does is it takes an array of data. I have my array here in my A column, and then from that it returns the kth largest or smallest, it's a small function, item in that data set. So we'll go ahead and start function off always with an equal signs, and then we'll type small. As you can see, it returns the kth smallest value in the data set. For example, the 5th smallest number. Double select on that. We'll select our array here, comma, and then we want the, should we go with first or largest? Let's go with the first smallest number. Close off the parentheses, hit enter. As we see, the first smallest number is a 2. And by looking at the small data set, we can see 2 is smaller than 3, smaller than 5, smaller than 4, and smaller than 3 again. So that would make sense. If we went to the 4th, it should give us 5 or 4. If we do 5, it may give us 5. Yes. But if we do 2 and 3, that should be the same number. 3 and 3 again. So that's just verification that it works, and that's how you use the small function in Excel.